Okay, last skills check from Chapter 1, Skills Check 1.3. This one was all on shapes. Examine the shapes at right. A, describe what you know based on the information given. Look at shape A. I do not see any markings, but I do see 4 sides. When I look at my blue toolkit, the only one that says 4 sides in the definition is the quadrilateral. Nothing special here, just 4 sides. All right, these single tick marks in B mean those 2 sides are equal. These double mean that these 2 sides are equal, but not all 4 are equal together. Important, not all 4 are equal together. I have 2 pairs of adjacent, which means next to sides equal. Looking at my blue toolkit, I know that's the kite. Markings in C. All I have are these little squares or boxes in the corner. Those mean I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 right angles. On my blue toolkit, 4 right angles, the only shape that has just that in the definition is the rectangle. And I know it looks kind of like a rectangle too, so that helps me make sure that I have the correct answer. Looking at D finally, I see these arrows. All those arrows mean are parallel lines. If I have parallel sides and it's only one set, one pair of parallel sides on my blue toolkit, that's the trapezoid. This is a special trapezoid, but we're not going to need to know that right now, and we don't have any markings to show that. So we just need trapezoid. Part C, you're using the shapes from up here. A does not have reflection symmetry. There is no line I can draw down it anywhere where I'll fold it onto itself and it will be perfect. Does it have parallel lines? Well, I don't see any arrows. So no symmetry, no arrows for parallel lines. That means A has to go outside of the Venn diagram. B, I don't see any arrows to show parallel lines. But I do see I could draw a line of reflection down the middle, so B must go here. I'm going to skip to D and come back to C. D, yes, arrows. But I can't draw my line here. I can't draw it here. There's no symmetry for reflection symmetry in this trapezoid. I'm going to erase those green lines. So it just has one pair of parallel sides. D goes here. C is a little tricky. It does have reflection symmetry here and here. Yes, symmetry. Parallel lines, because these are 90-degree angles and it's a rectangle, we should know we have parallel lines. Got 2 pairs. At least 1 pair means 2 pairs is okay. And yes to reflection symmetry means my C is in the middle for both. Okay, scroll down to the bottom of my page here. These problems from Chapter 1, please complete on the back side and turn in before the test. I would strongly suggest that you use your blue toolkit to help you out. Thanks.